Hey guys, what's going on? So I know it's been a little while since I made a video. I've been extremely busy between working, running tow trucks, and school, so I haven't really been worried about making any videos. I have helped Skylar with a couple videos since my last video, I guess. We did a video on my truck the other night, so if you want to see something on my truck, go check out his channel. I'll put it down below. It is stay_spooling. But anyway, so the last video I made for this channel, I really don't even remember what it was, but it was before I went up to Pennsylvania in February. And while I was up in Pennsylvania, I met up with my buddy from Instagram, Battleship67. As you know, he has the Battleship Gray 3rd Gen with the immaculate and super fucking clean engine bay. The rest of the truck is just as perfect as it looks on Instagram. But the reason I met up with him was to buy those. I had actually bought them a couple months prior, but I just hadn't got up there to get them. So anyways, I've got his old wheels. He's got drop stars now, and as you may have noticed, front bumper's different. It's got chrome on the bottom, and the reason, that's how long it's been since I made a video, because I never even told you guys about this. I ass-packed an F-150 on 295 at the beginning of February, and so I was riding around with a smashed front bumper and found a deal up in Georgia for a new front and rear bumper. Well, they're not new, but they came off in 06, so it still fit. You know, they're in a lot better condition. The front has this one dent right here, and I haven't put the new rear one on yet, but it's got a small dent like right here in the corner, which I'm not too worried about. And honestly, I don't even need it. It's just kind of, it was a package deal, so I took it. But yeah, so it's a very slow day here at work. I've been here since 7. It is a little bit after 1 now, and I have had 0 calls, which is good for some people, but sucks for me because, I mean, it's not like I'm getting paid per call, but I'd rather have something to do than just sit around the yard all day. So I got bored. I washed the wheels and toolboxes on my work truck, pulled my truck over here, vacuumed out the inside, got all Ruger's dog hair out, and then cleaned up the wheels a little bit. But that's about it. That's all I've done today. And yeah, I just figured you guys deserved a little bit of a little update on what was happening. And I'm also in the works of picking up some Go Fast parts for it. Well, not picking up, I'm still trying to decide exactly what I want to purchase. But anyways, when the time comes, you guys will find out and see what all I got. But for right now, it's just the truck looks like a bag of ass and the wheels are clean. So you guys have a good one. Thanks for stopping by. I'll catch you next time. Have a good one.